Hi, I'm Anthony Weinkoff, co-founder of Embrace Tutoring Educational Services, and welcome to Embrace Tutoring TV, the official YouTube channel for all things related to test prep, academics, and the college admission process. Today, we will be discussing the #1 best tip for preparing for the ACT. After working with hundreds of students, parents, and experienced educators, we put together a comprehensive list of what many of our educators believe to be the most essential tips when taking the ACT. We've narrowed it down, and one tip is consistently mentioned above all else. What is this master tip? The #1 best tip for preparing for the ACT is practice, 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 but deeply. This is not just taking random practice problems and checking your score, but digging deeper into categorizing each mistake until the answer is fully justified. So where do you start? Begin by taking several authentic ACT diagnostics, measuring your progress and identifying areas of weakness for you to go and review. EmbraceTutoring.com provides a number of free supplemental materials to get you started. During your preparation, I would recommend dividing your time equally between reviewing topics in your notes and doing practice questions that replicate the format of the test. Work on your approach and your timing. When evaluating your practice tests, be absolutely brutal about understanding your mistakes. Deep practice is being your own toughest critic. More important than finding the mistake is seriously understanding why you have missed that question in the first place. You need to always be able to justify your answer earnestly. As you're studying, I would recommend keeping a log and categorizing your mistakes and questions you're unsure of into types of questions within each section of the test. Write down 1, the general idea of the question, 2, what you believe the question was asking, and 3, the strategy you will use in the future to answer the question correctly. Trust me, this practice may seem harder and more tedious at first. However, by examining each question through a method of deep practice, you will develop a greater reflection and understanding. You'll go deeper and not continuously get the same questions wrong over and over. You will have found patterns to your weaknesses and resolve them. You'll also now have an organized log as a reference of each type of question you may have missed and why. Moreover, given the fact that your time is so limited and yet so valuable, we would definitely recommend a test prep class or tutoring by an experienced teacher. This teacher will help you navigate the core content through deep practice, create an academic schedule and checkpoints to hold you accountable, and provide key strategic insights for maximizing your time. We cannot emphasize the method of deep practice enough. You will always need to be able to justify your answer and have a true understanding, and therefore improve your timing and score. That's all for now, but remember, if you're a student and would like additional practice tests or sample packets, please feel free to visit EmbraceTutoring.com. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your studies.